Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a live chat to WhatsApp Business. All right, so first stop, gotta log into your live chat account. Now go to the left panel and click on Apps. Okay, click on it, and once done, gotta go to the center of your screen. Right here, we have WhatsApp Business. If you can't find it, just gotta click on the search bar and look for, again, WhatsApp Business. Okay, so click on it and wait for this button to load. Now, as you can see here, it is automatically installed by default. So all you need to do is just click on Open App right here, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, just go ahead and select a plan. Okay, if you already have a plan, well, just go ahead and hit on the Continue button right here, and then once done, you'll be guided to connect to your Meta Business account, which is necessary for WhatsApp Business API access. Okay, now when you go ahead over to Chats right here in the left panel, click on it. As you can see, WhatsApp is available as well. Now just click on WhatsApp right here at the top right. Okay, click on WhatsApp and connect a number. And again, it will need you to first what? Choose your WhatsApp plan. Okay. And again, if you already have a plan, just go ahead and log in. Then you can go ahead and configure the settings and complete the onboarding process. Okay. And once that's completed, the WhatsApp chats will start appearing in your live chat inbox. Okay, right here. That's basically it. Now, if you get an error where it says you must use a different phone number, okay, you may need to disconnect your number from your WhatsApp app or business app if it's already in use on a smartphone, okay? Also, you must have a business or Meta Business account to link to. All right, and while some integrations allow the use of a business smartphone connected via QR code scan, the official API integration requires a separate phone number, not tied to the main WhatsApp business app. All right, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.